was telling, if you believe, if you have faith, you will tell this tree to uproot itself, yes, and plant itself in another area. If today you as a young man here in this class, if you believe you'll get an A, you'll get an A. But you have so little faith. Mtu akikwambia ufanyi vizuri, anakwambia mtu kama wewe ufanyi vizuri, your faith is what? Is lowered. Your faith should not go down. You should believe in what? In yourself. Believe that if you're going to get an A, believe that you're going to get that A that you want. Believe in it. Believe. As you believe, you'll get an action, a way of getting that what? A. Sasa hivi upaswi kusema somo hili ni ngumu sana kwangu. Hapana. You're supposed to say I can do this. Wale vijana wengine walipata A in another school, your neighbor who got an A. You're not a lesser person. We are all created equal. Watu usema kijana wangu anapata mambo pole pole. He's not good at learning. No. It's only because you're lazy. You do not want to believe or have faith. Have faith in yourself. Hakuna mtu atatoka pale nje akwambie fanya hiki na hiki. Wewe ndo utajipenda wewe mwenyewe. Jipende. Because I've realized you don't love yourself. Mtu anakwambia you look so weak, wewe ni mtu wa mabangiri, and you believe it. Why are you believing it? You know very well you don't smoke. You know very well you don't drink. Ungekaa pale akikwambia hivyo unanyamaza. Alafu you come here, you sit down, you work hard. And you make sure you keep on reading. Kutoa hizo vitu watu wanakwambia mbaya mbaya kwa akili yako. Mbaya mbaya about mimi, hakuna mtu ananiweza niambia kitu mbaya kunihusu. We are told everyone is what? Wonderfully what? Made. Now why are you believing these things? Alafu unaanza kudhoofika. Unaamka asubuhi badala ya kusoma unasoma. Usomi. Yes, come in. He's not in his office. Yes. Break ukuje kuniona ni make sure umesema. Yes, enda. Mbona yeye uniogopa mimi? And I'm a woman. I don't joke. Namwambia tu pap. Where? Hakuna. Don't fear God. Fear God. Everyone, I want you to believe in yourself. Believe you can make it. You will go to the university. Believe in it. Wale wanaenda kweni ni watoto wa nani? Ama wamezaliwa familia gani? You can be also the first one in your family to go to that university if you've not been going there. Your brother went to the university. Your sister, maybe your sister is even in a bigger school than you. But the school doesn't determine you going to the university. It's you reading for yourself. Whether the teacher sends you away, you're supposed to read mahali uko. Stop being discouraged. Encourage yourself. Hakuna mtu atakuja hapo aseme atakufanyia hii kazi. Hapana, encourage yourself. Jipende, jifikirie wewe mwenyewe. Acha kufikiria mtu mwingine yuko kando yako. When you wake up, jifikirie wewe. Usifikirie hata mamako, babako au wanakufikiria wewe. Jifikirie wewe mwenyewe and what you want. And know what you want and work on it every day. Because boys, if you do that, you're going to succeed. But if you continue listening to, I call it outside noise, you won't make it in this life. You won't make it. Because hakuna mtu anaweza kuambia hapo nje kitu kizuri kukuhusu. If you get an A, people will always be what? Jealous. If you're working hard, mtu atakuja kuambia, siku hizi nakuona umebadilika. To discourage you, uanze kurudi kwa group ile yake mbaya. Utakwambia, umebadilika mpaka hutaki kwenda na sisi. Kwa nini usimjibu unyamaze tu and you continue reading? With time ataacha kukushughulisha. Lakini wewe you work hard on yourself, 2 days, 3 days, you're reading hard, you're in class. Mtu anakuja anakuambia, siku hizi umegeuka, umekuwa bukoma. Wewe all of a sudden you're discouraged. You want to please this person. Who do you want to please? Why do you want to please your father? Mtu kijana mwenzako you did not even know them before you came here. And all of a sudden you want to please them. Why do you want to please them? You're not man enough. Man enough starts like that. Starts you standing up for yourself. If you're studying, unamwambia naenda kusoma sahi, and you leave him there akifanya vitu vyake. Akikuchukia kwa nini? Akikuchukia, mtu akikuchukia mwenzako yuko kando, akikuchukia kukupenda, inakuongezea nini? Akikuchukia kukupenda, ule mtu ambaye anajua uzuri wa masomo ndiye atakupenda. Atakwambia hata yule rafiki wa kikweli atakwambia please let us sit down and do what? Discuss. Because anajua about tomorrow. But a friend mwenye anakwambia umebadilika, hii ni kitabu umeshika, he's not your friend, he's your enemy. Is your enemy. Yule anakwambia acha kufanya hizo assignment ndio mwalimu ataulizi, twende dom tukalale. Your enemy. You don't know this now but you remember me later. If you don't change. If you don't change and love yourself. Love yourself. Because I've discovered you don't love yourselves. Mtu akiniambia kitu wakati mwingine sitaki kelele na nyamaza tu, anasema. Wakati ule nataka kelele namrudishia. Lakini sasa I've realized if you say something and it is hurting me or you want, people keep on. Mtu anaweza kuja hapa mbele kuzungumza. Nimemwambia preach. Anaanza kupreach kitu ambayo inanihusu kwa sababu anataka kufanya nini? To hurt me. Na anaangalia your weakness. What is your weakness? Anaangalia your weakness all the time to discourage you. No. If I feel because umefanya hivyo, I keep quiet and I go, I cry. I'm a woman. I cry. Peke yangu hata utaniona na nikuje niendelee upya. Thank God, you don't have phones. There are very many positive messages on the phone. Nasoma. I listen to a podcast that is very encouraging and I carry on with my work. And lately I've started cutting people off. Negative people nimewakata kwa maisha yangu kabisa. You call me, you wish me, hi, you call me. I know it's my birthday, you call me. I don't pick. You text me, happy new year, happy birthday. I say, God bless you, thank you. I don't mingle with you. You ask me what's the plan at here, this birthday. No, I don't even tell you where I'm going. I don't. Because I've realized these people are not for me. They're not for me. Anyone who's for me will tell me, let's go do a business plan. We do this thing. They'll tell me, we are going to do this and this to invest in another country. Can you go there? Those are the people who are for me. But mtu anakuja na kwambia your weakness is not for you. Doesn't love you. Sometimes someone can come and tell me something harshly. But I'll go and sit down and niulize, kweli vile amesema kuhusu mimi, is it true? If I find it is true, I'll change. But I'll not say anything to them. Because kama nimefanya kitu kibaya, and you correct me na umenicorrect kukiwa na watu wengi, it is wrong. Yes, naenda najiuliza, kweli niko hivyo. And I'll try to change on my own. But kama nimefanya kitu kibaya, you're supposed to call me what? Alone. You call me alone, you tell me, Munyoki, this and this and this. It's not you. And then you're not even supposed to explain. If it's something, someone is trying to correct you, you're not supposed to explain. You come, you sit down, you say, how can I do this? All the behavior that you have, it is bad. If it is bad, you just need another action, a different action on that matter. If you're being told you're sleeping a lot, you just need to be always writing. If you're writing, you're not feeling sleepy. If you're feeling even more sleep, you walk around the class at the back. Or you say, you go ask the teacher on duty for permission to go to the toilet. As you're going to the toilet, the sleep will go away and you clean your face. That issue has gone. Every issue needs an action for it to go away. If you know your urge, because some people are addicted, maybe you're addicted to a particular substance. If you hang around those people who are using that substance, of course, you will only think about it. But if you stay with those people who are not using the drug, they will not even talk about it. They will not even give you stories. Even if you're feeling that urge to use it, let me tell you, if you're in Mr. Kamau's office trying to pray with him, you won't feel the urge. Iwapo umeenda pale kumuuliza Mr. Mwaneki about computer, anakuonyesha saizo you're feeling that urge, you won't go. But if you're feeling that urge, na uambie rafiki yako yule ambaye mnafanya hivyo, you will go together to the toilet. Now you will find a way to do it. If the way you normally put a lot of effort in looking for that bad thing, that is the same effort you're putting in that subject that you're not good at, we could be very far. We could change our lives. Believe in yourself. Jipende. Mimi sipendi. And why I don't like, and I told you why I don't like those substances, because you take them today, unless it is top shelf, tomorrow you cannot work the whole day. You're even feeling sick. You don't even, you do things, you don't even remember you did them tomorrow. You make silly decisions. You don't want to hang out with these people. You find yourself, you went with them. Why were you going with them? Because your mind was altered. If you see the negative effects of some things, some actions you're doing, you wouldn't do them in the long run. Jipende.